IMEI number. You can use this function with both Android and iOS phones. IMEI number means International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, or as it's shortly called, IMEI number. IMEI is a unique code for your phone. No phone have the same IMEI number. You can use this code incredibly for lots of cases. For example, imagine that you lost your phone and somebody still have it. Knowing the IMEI number, you can block your device through your service provider network. Also, you can provide the IMEI number to the police to find your loss. With this code, you can also check the originality status of your phone. I mean, if your phone is original or fake. Number identification. This code will help you to turn on or off your number identification during calls, meaning it will make your number to appear as private or unknown on someone else's phone. Also, you can find someone else's identification when he or she is in the calling. So if you want to go incognito making calls for some time, this is the way to go. It works only on iPhones. Statistics and secret menu. This code works primarily on Android devices. It might work differently on other ones. If you have an Android device, use this code to see your Wi-Fi signal strength, battery status, and CPU use statistics along with other information. This code also used to open secret menu on the Motorola phones. No outgoing calls. This function works only for iPhones. If you use this code, you might not get any calls from others. Thankfully, with this code, you can easily log outgoing calls and all they will just see is that calls failed to go. They may just think it's a poor network signal. So, if you want to try it, just dial the code and enjoy it. Don't forget that you can turn off this function by simply typing this code. Instant factory settings. Once you enter this code, your phone will remove Google account settings as well as application data. More like formatting your phone. Please know that this action is irreversible. Hence, you must not be in a hurry to use this code and ensure you back up your data first. So be careful before using this function. Whole reinstallation. Do you need to reset your phone? So this is the way to go. So this is the easy way to do it. Using this code, all your phone settings and data will be removed and refresh your phone. Again, I recommend not use this function without a good reason. Before running this code, make sure you back up your files. Better communication. The function of this phone code is to turn on enhanced full rate, which helps your device communication to be more clearer, faster, and cleaner. But know that this feature drains your device battery quicker, and it works only on iPhones. To deactivate this function, use the same code. How to listen to yourself while making phone call. This is the way you may want to listen to the recordings of yourself while speaking on phone, maybe for fun or just to refresh your memory over your previous phone call communications. By typing in this code, it will record your conversation while you're on a call. Unfortunately, this code works only for Android. If you are interested in knowing how you sound over the phone, this phone code would help you to achieve that. Call waiting. This phone function is very helpful for busy people. Sometimes you get lots of phone calls and messages, so you can use this code to turn on call waiting option in your iPhone. Activating this option every time notifies someone's call even when you are in another call, as well as you can hold the current call and answer the new call if it's important for you. And to cancel call waiting option, just dial the same code. If you know any other phone functions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.